Agriculture. Question 1. How is organic farming different from natural farming? 1. In natural farming, organic fertilizers and manures like compost, vermicompost, cow dung manure, etc. are used, whereas in organic farming, neither chemical nor organic fertilizers are added to the soil. 2. Basic agro practices like plowing, tilting, mixing of manures, weeding, etc. are performed in organic farming, whereas decomposition of organic matter by microbes and earthworms is encouraged in natural farming. 3. Natural farming is still expensive due to the requirement of bulk manures, and it has an ecological impact on surrounding environments, whereas organic agriculture is an extremely low-cost farming method, completely molding with local biodiversity. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 1 and 2 only. B. 2 only. C. 3 only. D. 1, 2 and 3. Question 2. Consider the following statements regarding the system of rice intensification. 1. While traditional sowing requires continuous flooding of the field, system of rice intensification needs only intermittent irrigation. 2. Unlike direct seeding of rice method, system of rice intensification is not suitable for all types of soil. 3. The number of seeds required to make a nursery in system of rice intensification is higher than that of traditional method of rice cultivation. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 1 and 3 only. B. 1 only. C. 3 only. D. 1, 2 and 3. Question 3. Consider the following statements regarding the lavender cultivation in India. 1. Purple Revolution launched by the Ministry of Agriculture through the Indian Council of Agricultural Research, ICAR, aims at increasing lavender cultivation in Jammu and Kashmir. 2. Aroma Mission launched by Ministry of Commerce provides planting material, distillation units and training to farmers in extraction of lavender oil. 3. Northeast region saw the successful cultivation of saffron for the first time in Yangon village of South Sikkim. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 2 only. B. 3 only. C. 1, 2 and 3. D. None of the above. Question 4. Consider the following statements regarding agricultural emissions. 1. As per National Greenhouse Gas Inventory, rice cultivation is the highest source of greenhouse gas emissions in Indian agriculture. 2. Paddy fields are anthropogenic sources of atmospheric nitrous oxide, N2O, and methane, CH4, which are powerful greenhouse gases. 3. The intermittent flooding or intermittent irrigation of rice reduces water, methane and nitrous oxide emissions. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 1, 2 and 3. B. 1 and 3 only. C. 2 only. D. 3 only. Question 5. Scaling solar applications for agriculture use, which focuses on providing greater energy access and a sustainable irrigation solution to farmers through deployment of solar water pumping systems in member countries, is an initiative of which among the following organizations? A. Asian Development Bank. B. World Bank. C. International Renewable Energy Agency. D. International Solar Alliance. Question 6. Consider the following statements regarding International Crops Research Institute for the Semi-Arid Tropics ICRISAT. 1. It is a non-profit, non-political organization that conducts agricultural research for development in the drylands of Asia and Sub-Saharan Africa. 2. India has granted a special status to ICRISAT as a UN organization operating in the Indian territory, making it eligible for special immunities and tax privileges. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 1 only. B. 2 only. C. Both 1 and 2. D. Neither 1 nor 2. Question 7. Consider the following statements regarding various characteristics of tillage in agriculture. 1. Tillage is done to obtain ideal conditions for seed germination, seedling establishment, and growth of crops. 2. Tillage helps to control water runoff and soil erosion from the field. 3. Zero-till soil is homogeneous in structure with more earthworm as compared to till soil. 4. Zero-tillage is an evolutionary concept which is not practiced in India presently. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 1, 2 and 3 only. B. 2, 3 and 4 only. C. 1 and 3 only. D. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Question 8. Consider the following statements regarding various cropping method practiced in India. 1. Growing 2 or more crops simultaneously with distinct row arrangement on the same field at the same time is called mixed cropping. 2. Growing of 2 or more crops simultaneously intermingled without row arrangement is known as intercropping. 3. Sugarcane and banana are examples of ratoon cropping. Which of the statements given above are incorrect? A. 3 only. B. 2 and 3 only. C. 2 only. D. 1 and 2 only. Question 9. Consider the following statements in the context of permaculture and organic farming. 101. 1. Organic farming creates an energy loop whereas a permaculture site acts as an energy source. 2. Organic farming focuses on a holistic balance between the outdoor and the indoor environment in a harmonious and natural way. 3. Permaculture focuses on mostly growing annuals such as corn, rice, legumes, and other vegetables, whereas organic farming concentrates more on perennials like artichokes, asparagus, and rhubarb, fruit and nut trees, and berry bushes. Which of the statements given above are incorrect? A. 1 only. B. 3 only. C. 1 and 2 only. D. 1, 2 and 3.